Hi, this is Chris Long from Lakeview Cottage Kids, and I just wanted to make this short video so that you could know how to make a video on YouTube, like my tutorials, go in slower motion in case you feel that they're going a little bit too fast. And you may already know this, but this is kind of a trick, and I'd like to share my screen with you to show you what's going on with that. So I'm going to find my share screen, and I'll go to my desktop, share that with you, and then I'm going to come back and take a look at some YouTube videos on my channel. And it's right here. This is one for one of my summer dishcloth series, dishcloth patterns. This is for the ocean splash. And now it's coming out at normal speed that when you would look it up, it would come out normal speed with me talking normally and with the actual video normal. But let's say that seemed a little bit, the video was a little bit fast for you. The way you can make your YouTube videos of any type go into slower motion so you can see a little bit easier is you come to this gear right here and click on that and find where it says playback speed, and it will typically be normal. But if you click that, you'll see normal is checked, but you can also speed it up and you can slow it down. The slower ones, it's almost too slow, for sure, the 0.25. But if you go to 0.75 and click that, and then come back to your video, you can see I'll play it. It's a little bit slower and it might be easier for you to watch. So, by making your slip knot, and we're going to, like many of my dishcloths in this series, I'm going to bring it over here where you can watch some of the stitches, so that your stitches don't get too loopy or it doesn't get too tight. Should be easily made so that you don't have to really. Now, if you wanted to slow it down even more, we could go back to playback speed and go to 0.5. Again, all of it, as you watch this, you can hear my voice slows down with the video. So I would turn off the sound and just watch if you needed to slow this to play. But let's play it at the 0.5 speed. Stress to get the hook into the open. So I'm not going to talk. I'm just going to let you watch so that you can see this at slower speed. So there, you can watch that a little bit slower. So you get the idea. I'm going to put it back to normal at this point, and you can see what that looks like. Turn up the sound a little bit. Crochet, double crochet. So I'll stop sharing here and come back to the screen. But I just wanted you to know that little trick, because sometimes it's just one of those things that would be helpful at certain times when you're just not quite catching exactly what's going on in the demonstration. So that's it. Have a good day. This is Chris Long at Lakeview Cottage Kids.